Good afternoon to all my students at Jackson Middle School and Central Crossing High School in Miss Matthews' class and Miss Anderson's class. This is Mr. Dollins, your adapted phys ed teacher. I hope this video finds you safe and well, and hopefully you're at home practicing your physical education skills and exercising your heart muscle. I thought for this week we'd work on some different ball skills, your object control skills consisting of catching and throwing. So follow along, be creative, and have fun. Thank you. So now we're going to practice some of our ball skills, working on improving our object control skills, our manipulation skills. So those of you who might be in a wheelchair, you can use any balls you might have at home to move and push the ball side to side. Right now I'm using a tennis ball, and even try to push it forward, off your tray. You might have a medium-sized ball that you try to grip and squeeze. Try to lift it above your head almost like a soccer throw-in and throw it in a forward motion to your partner or family member. Any balls will work, using your finger muscles to squeeze and grip the balls with each hand, using your arm muscles, and even try to drop and release the balls. Here's a larger basketball that you can try to almost bounce or drop and push and manipulate off your tray. The last one is almost a baseball throw. Hold it up, whichever hand works best, and throw it high and far. Do your best. The possibilities are endless. Have fun and be creative. All right, middle and high school friends who are able bodies, we're going to continue to work on our tossing and catching skills with a partner or a family member. Right here I have Willow, and she's going to be a great helper. First, we're going to bounce the ball and catch the ball. Make sure you have your hands ready to receive the ball. Any size ball will work, whatever you have at home. Ready, Willow? Bounce, catch. Good job, Willow. Bounce it back. Good. After you do that a couple times, you may then toss the ball underhand to catch it with your partner. Ready, Willow? Step and catch. Good job, Willow. Toss it underhand. Good. And the final one, which will be the most hard, would be throwing the ball overhand and catching the ball. Make sure you're ready. Ready, Willow? Step, toss, catch. Nice job, Willow. Throw it back. Have fun. You can bounce the ball to yourself. You can toss the ball in the air to yourself. Keep your eye on the ball and use your hands. Bye, friends, and exercise your heart muscle.